This Cajun cutter straight razor has an edge from a new stone that I got, and I can't wait to tell you about it. What is going on, guys? Sean Staplefield here with another episode in straight razor shaving. And yeah, I got a new stone. I honed that Cajun cutter. That's a 7/8 razor, or 8/8 razor, better yet. And I have a new stone. I can't wait to tell you about it. But first, today we are using the Cajun blade for the pins. We're doing the Leon presenting. That was actually a really good suggestion. I agree with him. I have autofocus, so sometimes it doesn't focus how I want it to. Here I have water and glycerin. It's already in my face. And let's get to lathering. As you guys saw, I'm using the Cajun cutter. Sold to me as a 7/8, but in reality it's more of an 8/8 when compared to my Cataragus that is a 7/8. All right, talking about suggestions and things that I learned. Even though I use glycerin and water lately as a pre-shave, Jax Dapper Shaves made a video about, well, he was just shaving. And he talks about working the soap into your skin. And just because I'm using glycerin and water as to make my skin a little bit slicker does not mean that I can't do what he suggested, which was a really good suggestion, working in that soap into your skin. And to me that makes sense, plus I like it. It's like a massage. I have about 3 days worth of growth right there. And that should be good enough. Or maybe it's not. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, I'm gonna do a first one pass. And after that first pass, I'll show you the finishing stone that I used on this razor. First pass, let's see how we did. Oh man, that's good. That's a pretty good amount of stubble. And that got deleted like it was nobody's business. For me, the with the grain is such an important pass, especially when I have big growth like I did today. Because it just brings everything back down a little bit. All right. I promised you guys after the first pass I would show you this stone that I used. You guys ready? Here it is. New coticule. I am in love with these stones. This one is from Arden's Coticule. I got it from Griffith's Shaving Goods. And I tested it out, honed on it. It's probably my slowest coticule yet. Which mine it comes from, I don't know. So, all I know is, compared to the other coticles that I have, it's my slowest one, which is good because when I was finishing on it, I didn't have to worry so much about rinsing, and I still got HHT5. And I use the hanging hair test mostly twice, and this is a good point that that Greg Gallant brought in his most recent video that I watched from him. He says he uses the packing peanut. He can gauge where he's at in his progression of his edge with the packing peanut. But with the hanging hair test, it's more about a finishing and seeing if you're at your finishing, if your edge is ready to shave with. And I agree, mostly that's what it's used for. But you could also realistically use it as a measure of if you have your bevel set, because I've done that before. I didn't have an edge, and then I honed, I stropped and checked with a hanging hair. Of course, there was a little noise, so it's not HHT5, it's like HHT2 or 3, I don't know. It just grabs, and then the hair falls apart. But that tells you have an edge. Alrighty. Let's go straight against the grain. Lately, I've just been with the grain and then against the grain, and forget about it. Forget about it. Today I have some sparring sessions. So, gonna get hit in the head. And I might come back dumber my next shaving video. What a soap, eh? Look at this. I have a new brush that's coming on the way. Synthetic. I'll tell you more about that when I finish this against the green pass. Oof. Yeah, it feels a little bit uncomfortable with my left hand, but slowly but surely, like Greg said, the more we practice, the better we get. And I was looking at my videos the other day, and my first upload, that was 8 months ago. So I'm still a baby in this. That's a nice edge. Very forgiving. Oh yeah. And then I think Eric is gonna send me some stones to try out. I can't wait to get them and try them out. There we go. Just give me my money. Now let's do this pass. You just don't gotta think about it and do the fool's pass. Another great tip by Leon. This has a barber's notch. You can use it and get it right in there. If you're comfortable with your blade, you can do this. Saw Dopper Shaves also do it. He goes right into his nose. Cause I see, hopefully you guys can see, I have some hair here. And I like getting that out of the way. There we go. And if you're lucky, maybe you can cut some boogers out. Who knows? Other side. The trick with the fool's pass, don't think about it. Just do it. We can do a little touch up here on the neck. All right. So I promised you guys I was going to tell you which brush I got. Synthetic. You guys know I asked you for your advice and I wanted a new brush because I got that cheap Amazon brush. And so an opportunity occurred. I took it. I don't know if you probably know who he is because he's pretty big in the space, but Tobin Fetters or Tobin Throwbacks. He did a, by the way, he did a giveaway, and Pete Hendrix from HC&C gave him a gift card. No sting at all, by the way. To do a giveaway, and I never win giveaways, but in this case I said, let me just go for it. Did my giveaway entry, and well, eventually, if you do something enough, you'll eventually get it, and I got it. So I got a $30 gift card, and then I was looking at the brushes that Pete has. He has the jack, and so I got the jack with the dragon knot, and I have no idea about the dragon knot, what it is. I just know people say it's really good, so that's on its way here, and that's it. Here you guys can see the stone again. This is a 7x2 coticule, and this is really just a perfect size to like hand hold it and just do your laps for finishing. All right. I always read and reply to all your comments, so make sure you leave one in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.